It's that time of the month again, ladies. Oh! The miracle of menstruation. For some women, having a visit from Aunt Flo feels like having the world on a string. For the rest of us, it feels like a Shark Week nightmare scenario, all thanks to our little friend, Cramp. Oh, son of a... But you know, surfing the crimson tide shouldn't have to feel like getting sucker punched in the uterus anymore, thanks to CrampsAway for her. It's the only real solution to period pain. Kiss those cramp pains goodbye and order CrampsAway for her online at CrampsAway.com. Cramps can really cramp your style, pun intended. You know, you're just minding your own beeswax, going with the flow of the menses, when along comes a spear of pain. Oh. Periods can be very graphic. In fact, extremely painful periods or dysmenorrhea affects 1 in 5 women. It can be so excruciating that doctors have compared the distress and pain to heart attacks, early birth pains, and even one gynecologist compared the pain to having your finger chopped off without anesthesia. There are so many different methods that we tend to use to try and combat the period blues, but none of them work like CrampsAway. You can distract yourself with ice cream or wine until it's all gone. And they have over-the-counter pain-relieving drugs that take ages to kick in, if at all. And they also contain big pharma chemicals and may take multiple doses to even partially stave off the pain. They are all just no bueno.
Are periods always this scary?
Not anymore, little boy. Because with CrampsAway for her, they're a cut above other period products. It works instantly. It's all natural, safe, and uses only homeopathic ingredients. Plus, it's super affordable.
So, random lady in our room, how does CrampsAway work?
Oh, it's simple, girlfriend. It's all about stopping the pain before it leaves the brain. CrampsAway discovered that cramps are a neuromuscular pathway problem. The brain sends a signal to the muscles via a neuromuscular pathway to contract and then release. The problem is sometimes this pathway gets corrupted, stopping the signal. When this happens, the brain sends a signal to the muscle to contract and then not release. Enter the cramp. Swishing around CrampsAway's patented formula helps restore the nerve pathway's ability to send a signal to your muscle to release, stopping the pain immediately. It's not a painkiller to mask the pain. It stops the reason for the cramping at its source. Once the cramping stops, the pain is gone this fast. It's instant relief for your period grief.
Oh, it sounds too good to be true. I've tried everything on the shelves and nothing takes away the pain. How do you know that's gonna work for me?
You try it out for 60 seconds and the pain isn't gone? CrampsAway will give you a full refund. OBGYN Dr. Kim Dang said that CrampsAway is the most significant product in women's health since the invention of birth control. Women everywhere are raving about how quick, natural, and effective it is. Unfortunately, we women can't take the day off because of cramp. Even if the pain is so bad that we start to understand what a man experiences when he has a cold.
Does he need CrampsAway?
He'll be fine. If you're a woman with a uterus, you've experienced menstrual misery while you're out and about. But that's why we created CrampsAway for her travel sizes. To pack away, take anywhere, and share it with a sister in need.
Yes.
CrampsAway is here to save your womb. So why are you still suffering? Order CrampsAway for her online at CrampsAway.com today. Bring on the blood. We're ready.